In maths this week, we're finding half. Yesterday, you made vegetables and fruit and you cut them in half. Today, we're looking at other shapes and seeing if we can cut them in half. Let's start with a square. How could we cut it in half? Well, we could cut it in half this way. And there's a hole, and there are the two halves. Let's put them back. So we could cut it down that way, and it's fair. Both sides are the same size. It's cut in half. We could half it this way. There was the whole square and two halves. The purple side and the green side are the same size, and together they make a whole square. So we've gone straight down the middle and across the middle. Both ways are okay. Both ways find half. Let's see if we can cut the square in another way and it still be fair. Oh, yes, this makes half too. Half is blue, half is yellow, and when we put them back together, they still make a square. So we cut the square in half diagonally. Oh, and we can cut it in half the other way. It's still finding half, and it's still fair because they've both got the same size piece. So our square, we cut it this way to find half, or that way to find half, this way to find half, or that way to find half. What about if our square was this way? Let's have a look. It's still half, even if it's on a different angle. Let's have a look at a circle. Pause now and see if you can draw on my circle where you would cut it in half. Let's see if you thought of the same as me. We might go in half across the middle. It's fair because both sides have the same. Half is yellow, half is blue. We could put it this way. It's still fair. Half is blue and half is yellow. What about like this? Does that still show half? Yes, it's fair. Yellow has half, blue has half. So even though it's diagonal, it's fair because both sides are half. You're going to have a go with these shapes. On the circles, I'd like to see 3 different ways to show half. Maybe you're going to do this one down the middle. One side one colour, one side another. Maybe this one will go across the middle this way. The top can be one colour and the bottom can be one colour. Same with all the shapes. Find different ways to show half. But watch out! Both sides must be the same. You can't have a shape like this, where one side has lots and the other side has little. That does not show half. It needs to be fair, with both sides having the same, like that. Good luck! Have fun!